Hello, welcome back. Today we are going to prepare Afang soup. I'm going to show you how to prepare Afang soup from scratch till the end, step by step. I will start by showing you my ingredients first before I will tell you what you need to know about Afang soup. In here is my water leaf, already cut, washed and sliced. The other one is Afang leaf, already plucked, washed and cut. Then the next one is my crayfish. So the next one is palm oil and periwinkle and cow skin. Then my dry fish, have cow meat and stockfish. They are all steamed, already steamed. Then I have onion here, salt and seasoning, and my fresh pepper. Those are the ingredients. So let me take you back to what Afang soup is all about. Afang soup is a special soup for all akwaibom people, especially in southern Nigeria. Afang soup improves our cultural heritage, in which people from other parts of the country use this Afang soup to identify us, the akwaibomite. Afang soup remains number one ceremonial and individual soup. Well, Mommy's just kitchen Afang soup. It's sweet and delicious dish, in which when you see or taste it, makes you long for more. So let's start cooking. I'll have to pour my meat. Okay. That's my meat. And my already steamed stockfish. And my dry fish. It's already been washed. And my crayfish. Then my cow skin, ready steamed, and my fresh pepper, okay, then onion, that's it. I'll add a cup of water. A little water to use and steam the ingredients. Then let me turn my gas, good, and cover it to steam before we add any other thing. That's boiled for 10 minutes now. What I will do now is to just turn it a little and pour my water leaf. will add my oil. My periwinkle. And cover it for 5 minutes. So let's check again. This Afang soup doesn't take time. Our soup is ready. Let me taste and see if my pepper and salt is okay. I need to add a little seasoning. Okay. Now, since we are done with every other thing, this is the last thing we'll put now, which is the afang. Already cut, slice. Now add my remaining oil. And turn it gently. Who else is here? Please bring your swallow. Bring your swallow. If you are here, what will you use in testing this Afang soup? This is akwa-abasi soup. What will you use? I think I will go with semolina. So all my friends out there, thank you for your comments. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you for subscribing. This is all about Afang soup. There's nothing to add for you to cook Afang soup. I really hope you try this recipe. You will love it. You will like it. And you will thank me later. Thank you for your time. Thank you. See you.